Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I created this pattern rotating it. The other day I showed somebody how to do a brush stroke. I'm going to do this exact one. If you added more cubes, you could actually make it maybe look a little bit cooler. But I'm going to do the exact one just for easiness. I'm going to grab the graph paper. I'm going to go ahead and set it back on 14 by 14, holding down the control button, and then hit P, put it in the center of the page. So we need a straight bar here. So I'm going to hold down the Alt key and swipe right through there. I'm going to hold down the Alt key and swipe right through there. And then I would start right here. And I'm going to go all the way to the end. And then go down, but stop short of one of them. Stop short of the next one. And I'm holding down the Alt key, and anything the Alt key touches will delete, and just don't go too far. Always try to, it's kind of hard sometimes. And once again, it doesn't look like I'd really planned. It'd be neat. But then I take the Smart Fill tool. This is still a group. So I do that right there, and I do that, and I do that. And then I can move this out of the way. Now, I'm going to go ahead and weld this and just go up to the weld key and weld it. Then I'm going to make it quite a bit smaller. And this is where you can kind of play around with it and make anything you want. I'm going to draw an ellipse. Then I'm going to hit P. I'm going to control D to make another ellipse, and I'm going to bring it in. Then I'm going to take a 2-point line. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to rotate it 5 degrees. And you could play around with this, control D, and then mirror it. Now I'm going to take this shape and fill it in with the Smart Fill tool and move that over. Now I'm going to left click, right click, and give you an outline. I'm going to select our graphic. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend and go right here to, no, not Blend, Envelope, and go right here to Create from Envelope Form, and then grab that right there because this is selected and it's going to put it in that form. Now, Shift select the other one and go EC so it's back exactly where it was. Try to just grab your graphic and move it over. Now I'm going to move it up because I'm going to group this together so I can move it out of the way in a minute. And I'm going to put that back. Our center lines are the X for the center. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate, and then alternate C to put it in the center of the page rotation. And I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees and then control D all the way around. And because we grouped those items together, I can grab that line and hit delete, and there you go. Now you still have a minute little, well, I can't even hardly see it, hairline, and you could take the whole thing and weld it too. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time, but if you'll weld that, then all your lines will be together, and you won't have any breaks. And if we look, left click, right click, that's what your graphic looks like. There's still some lines there, but I think, if you were just going to print this, they would be non-detectable. Anyway, hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.